How'd you find this?
The vials in the clinic. With the Celtic symbols on them, I knew. That one of them looked familiar.
Sheriff, thank you for being one hell of a detective.
You bet. Let's get you an ambulance.
Your eyes were red. Bright red.
How is that possible?
Paramedics are on their way. I'll be back in half a minute.
It's rare. Something that doesn't happen within 100 years, but every once in a while, a beta can become an alpha without having to steal or take that power. They call it a true alpha. It's one who rises purely on the strength of their character, by virtue, by sheer force of will.
You knew this would happen.
I believed. From the moment I knew you were bitten, I believed.
You're not the only one. Deucalion isn't after Derek. He's after you.